Looks expensive. I thought the thing would die, but that's what I'm having right now. And you guys, I'm hearing of spaghetti and beans. I've not eaten it before. Today I decided to make macaroni and beans. That's what I'm having right now. And you guys, the entire house, this is content creation day. This one, I have to change my lips. It's just making my face look plain. I have to change my lips color to make the makeup pop. My children, they're in the living room. They are watching. Tobias is watching Barney. Jessie is watching Miss Rachel. Hey guys, I want to harvest my corn. See this thing. See, can't get that from the well. I want to harvest them. See, they have started dying. So this one is never ready, safe. This one is not ready. But I just want to. They are drying, so. Wow, this one is still producing now. What the food they said? Nothing they said. Remember my green bell pepper? It's really growing well. I thought the thing would die, but it didn't die. And see the other one here. This is what I was able to harvest this morning. I want to buy. I have to buy it to add to it to be able to make what I want to do. If not, it not go up. Hey guys, finally I made my hair. Okay. Do you want to see a tutorial of how I made this hair? Katovia said. Finally we made our hair. You guys. Mama, you like your hair? I know. So cute. So you guys don't want to know, I've had this stuff for a while. Like, when did I ever make this wig? It's a wig actually. This is a wig. You see that? How will they know? Who will know? Nobody will know. How will they know? You tell me. You tell me. How will they know? Now you with this. Welcome to a new vlog, you guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. So in Nigeria, you know how everything is, like the money situation, everything, like it's not funny. It's not funny. Before you spend money, you need to think well before you spend money. And somebody like me that is not working, I'm just in the house. My business is on hold for now for some reasons.
Deal with limiting beliefs. You must deal with those limiting beliefs. John chapter 5 from verse 1 to 7. I'm rounding off. I told you that I'm just going to speak to you prophetically. Is to charge your spirit. In this service, you will get an instruction from God what to do. And when you tweak it, you will see results. John chapter 5, 1 to 7. What are more like Nigeria? You are blind, lame, deaf, dumb, paralyzed people. How you know is that when you engage with people, you hear a lot of paralyzing words. Someone said to me, very soon we'll just go to Cotonou if you can't go to Canada. And you know what he's speaking? He's speaking fact, not faith. Oh, you don't know that when we are plunged that some people will run to Cotonou for refuge? Oh, you don't know. So more like this, Nigeria is like we're at that pool, you know, with so many crazy people and destitute people at the pool.
The clothes she washed this morning are still on the line. Wow. Look at the app.
It's not working.
My
It's not on.
That's such a beautiful reflection.
Really?
Man, what is it? You have been in this house since morning, doing nothing. Look at my children still on the line. All the house is litter. Although if you pack those clothes, with your hand, and be now saying, working myself out to take care of this family. And I come and put my hands in my house. Indeed, peace indeed. Do you want peace? I'm asking you, do you want peace? Yes, I want you 100. I will talk. I want married with where? You should have picked me on the street. Yes. This woman, I am tired of this marriage. I am going out. And before I return, leave my house. You see this marriage? Leave this house today. You see this marriage? Not leave, not transfer. You must leave. You die here. You must leave. You die here. If you must go.
Good afternoon. I'm back from church. We had a program today. Got a birthday gift from where is it safe? From my sister-in-law. So my sister-in-law, Tovia did this. My sister-in-law attended my church, so she gifted me this. It's part of my birthday gift. So I just want to unbox it with you guys because why not? Let's this is a perfume. Oh, so cute. So cute. Anyway guys, that's what she got for me. Thank you, babe, if you are watching this video. Thanks so much. So let's smell this. Add it to the opener. Oh, I have kata, so I cannot really smell it well, but I'm very sure it's going to smell nice. It looks expensive. This thing go fine for decoration now. Just arc and aesthetic. I don't know what they call them. I have no idea. You guys, my head is aching me. I'll see you guys around on the vlog. Should I keep this thing here now? Tovia, you'll come and scatter it for me. I am tired. We have a guest, you guys. Have a guest. It's in the living room. I just quickly came to shoot because 31 days video, 31 days upload is about to end. And I need to be up and doing, okay? It's my nose. It's causing me headache.
Mama?
What are you doing?